Welcome to zkCLOB, the private trading platform where you stay in control. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Convert feature to make instant swaps privately. From your dashboard, hover over the Trade menu and click Convert. This takes you to the zkCLOB Convert interface, a tool that lets you swap assets instantly at real-time market prices. Choose your assets. For example, swap Ethereum to USTD. Select the amount you'd like to swap. You can use the slider for partial amounts like 25%, 50%, or go all in. The price is fetched live from the order book. No delays, no guesswork. Once you're ready, hit the swap button. Your trade is executed immediately. No waiting for an order to fill. After the swap is complete, go to the Assets tab to see your new balance. You can also check orders, spot orders, to review the trade details such as status, pair, and amount executed. With Convert on zkCLOB, you get instant swaps, live market rates, full privacy using zk proofs, your keys, your coins, your control.